What would happen if a black hole entered the solar system? If a black hole came close to Earth, it could heat the planet, evaporate oceans, and make life uninhabitable. A black hole is an almost invisible object with gravity so strong that even light cannot escape. The consequences of such an object entering the solar system depend on several factors, including the black hole's size and distance, according to live science. Known black holes are either stellar mass black holes, several to 100 times the mass of the Sun, or supermassive black holes, 100,000 to billions of times the Sun's mass, typically found at galactic centers. If a stellar mass black hole, or larger, were to pass through the solar system, it could cause catastrophic events depending on its proximity and speed. For instance, if it passed through the Oort Cloud, the most distant region of the solar system, it could disrupt the orbits of comets and asteroids, sending them hurtling toward Earth, explains Karina Voggel, a postdoctoral researcher at the Strasbourg Astronomical Data Center in France. If the black hole came closer, within 100 astronomical units, AU, the average Earth-Sun distance of about 150 million kilometers, just beyond Pluto's orbit, it might alter the orbits of Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. However, Earth might remain largely unaffected. The danger to Earth increases significantly if the black hole passes between the orbits of Uranus and Pluto. These planets could be drawn into orbit around the black hole, which would disrupt Earth's orbit, altering seasons and potentially triggering ice ages or extreme heat that would render life extinct. If the black hole entered Saturn's orbit, it could push Earth out of the habitable zone where liquid water can exist. If it moved within Jupiter's orbit, Earth might start orbiting the black hole. In a worst-case scenario, if the black hole approached closer than Mars's orbit, the resulting tidal forces could heat Earth so much that its oceans would evaporate, making life impossible. Fortunately, experts believe these scenarios are extremely unlikely. We worry about asteroids occasionally hitting Earth because there are so many of them, but black holes are far rarer in the universe. The likelihood of a black hole passing through the solar system is extremely low, and the chance of it colliding with anything is even lower, said Robert McNeese, an associate professor of physics at Loyola University Chicago.